I got my delicious cake. And my cat, her name is Cookie. It's her birthday today. And I'm making a healthy fruit cake for her. So I got strawberries, I got blackberries, and I got bananas. Okay, let's do this. Let's put the strawberry in the middle. Okay. Oh no, my pizza! I have to pick up my pizza.
Whoa! There's some fruit here. They smell so good. Ooh, I really love strawberries. I'm gonna go ahead and eat them up.
Oh, that was a nice run. Oh yeah. Whoa, fruits, blackberries and bananas, and a nice cake. I'm really hungry. I think I'll take the berries. It's really good.
Okay, I got my delicious pizza. Let's sit on a chair. Oh no! Where did my blackberry go? And my strawberry! I only have my bananas. Like this, I'm not gonna decorate the cake.
Oh no, I feel so bad for Sally. I ate all her strawberries. Wait, she was making a cake for Cookie the cat. It's her birthday today. Oh no. I have a great idea. I'll be right back. All right, I got all the stuff. Now let's go. Yes, Sally's not here. Now let's make her the surprise cake. Let's do this. I got a lot of cookies in here because I'm making it for Cookie the cat. And I got a happy birthday sign. All right, let's do this. We're gonna put the cookie here. Oh, it's already looking so cool. I better finish this cake before Sally comes. All right, right there. And let's keep doing it. And the last letter, which is Y. Whoa, this looks so cool. It says happy birthday with a little strawberry and cookies around it. Sally's gonna love it and so is Cookie. All right, Sally's gonna love this cake and she's gonna love the big surprise. All right, now let me go get Sally and surprise her with this beautiful cake. All right. Keep closing your eyes, Sally. It's gonna be a nice surprise. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, open!
Thank you, Deema! Thank you so much!
You're welcome, Sally!
It's so pretty! It's good for Cookie!
Yeah, it's for Cookie's birthday!
Because these are cookies and her name is Cookie!
Yep!
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow. Happy birthday, Cookie!
Oh, wait, Sally, where is Cookie, by the way?
Oh, she's at the hair salon doing her haircut.
Oh, yeah, and she's doing her nails, too.
Yeah, Deema, thank you so much. I love this cake so much.
You're welcome, Sally. All right, let's go.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't see you guys there. Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe.